Dancing on the ceiling on the people, I got people on the people, dancing on the people, I got purple hat, cheetah print, dancing on the people, rolled up at the after joint, dancing on the people, people dancing on the people, I got people on the people, people dancing on the people, with the people on the people, smoking CO2, see you dancing on the people, climb up on the booth, hanging from the people on the people, my hits the roof, dancing on the ceiling on the people, I got people on the dancing on the people, I got people.
We haven't done something stupid in a while, so here we go. Oh yeah, point it right at me. 3, 2. Bang, bang, bass. Bang, bang.
How can I help you?
Turn on Lasker, dude.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, right there, Lasker. For just to be.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that one more time a little bit slower? I'm sorry.
Oh, Lasker Dapper Disc.
I'm sorry. I'm still having a hard time hearing you.
I'm sorry. Can I have a large sweet tea?
Large sweet tea, okay.
House Mouse. Sponsored by McDonald's. Do you see how?
Oh, you messed it up. Go, dude, go, dude, go, let's go.
We're now officially selling House Mouse toilets. Only at your local Menards. Shop now. Tomato. Potato.
I think this would be like perfect.
Matado. Sorry. Oh, I forgot. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I have to eat one now.
Do it.
Debato.
Oh, give me a bite.
Yeah, bro.
Grill.
This is all I want in life. Sitting in a really, really hot car with my best friend, eating a potato. All right, slight change of plans. It's the next day. I dyed my hair blonde. Potato gun didn't work out. Then we fixed it. It did work out. Now we're about to shoot some shit.
Something for your mind. Something for your mind.
This hill has seen a lot.
I got it on me.
Wow! Nice! Fun! Oh, let's go! Now it's time for potato gun.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. 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 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no foreplay all day. Booming out the trap through the hallway. Little pretty Flacco Jody. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? You can crush a 9 miles, niggas talk down every now and then. On the south, getting style 9.
We got this motorized bike. We got a gator, rightfully so. We're gonna race. Oh.
Turn around.
All right, camera change. Now it's gonna flip. Now camera change back. Now it's back. Now camera change. Now camera change. That's gonna be hard to edit. I don't know why I did that. I just screwed myself. Look at that. Like what is going on?
Camera change. Bike versus human.
I just started.
Bike versus human.
Camera change.
Camera change.
That's crazy.